So I just want to quickly show you this amazing product that I just got recently. I have been using it for about a week now, and I can honestly say that it's truly amazing and it's so easy to use. So what it is this Dry Sprig Transformation Nail Kit. Here you go. And it comes with the nail buffer and it has the instructions right here. Also replacement pads, a nail file, and the conditioner serum, which I really love. This one is one of my favorites. I've tried so many serum for your nails in the past, and this one, what's amazing for me, it's because I've always have dryness around my nails, and when I started using this, I could already see the difference just in a matter of 1 week. So yeah, it's truly amazing. Yeah, I've tried other products in the past, and for me this is the best one, and it also smells really great. So after putting it, your hand smells amazing. So yeah, definitely give this a try and see for yourself.